Hi, children. Just look around the place you sit, your classroom. Look at your bag. Anything in the class, just run your eyes and see. Lots of things that in the classroom that you see, they are made up of lines. Just look at your table. Look at the chair you sit down. Look at the board you have. Anything in the class. We are going to look at very carefully. Today, you're going to look at lines and curves. Where do you find lines? Look at your book. You have straight line. Then you look at your water bottle. You have curves. Look at your bangles. Curves. The glasses. Curves. So today we are going to look carefully at the things that we have, we use. And then we are going to learn curves and lines. And we need curves and lines for many things, for drawing, shapes, drawing pictures, for everything we need curves. So we will look at very carefully curves and lines. We are talking about curves when we want to draw something. You need curved lines. We want letters to write. You need curved lines. You need to draw flowers. You need curved lines. So we have curves, different curves. This way you draw. Then you have curves this way up. Then you have side. You have side. All this you call curves. Curves, any curved line. You can say curves that look up, down, side, left, right. Now, other than this, we need lines. We have a lot of things. Now, look at your gate. There are straight lines, slanting lines, vertical line, horizontal line, gates. Or look at your table. You have vertical line, horizontal line, slanting line. Look at the chair you sit on. So lines. So you have curves. Now what are the different kinds of lines? There are kinds of lines we need to look at. Kinds of lines. What are the kinds of lines you need to know? Now, we have horizontal line. One, horizontal line. Okay, now the horizontal line you need for drawing. It goes from your left to right. Horizontal line. Like this, it goes on and on. And then we use this horizontal line. Look at your board, your charts. You need line. Look at the book, straight line. Okay, now next we have is vertical line. Next we have is vertical line. When you say vertical line, you have line from top to bottom, or bottom to top, whatever way. Now, when you look at gates, look at the gates. You want to draw a gate or you want to paint a gate. You need your horizontal lines. All right? Now, that's your gate. And you need to draw lines like that. Okay? Then you have the slanting line. Next, what we need is slanting. Slanting line. When I say slanting line, we talk about ladders. Now, when we have ladders, we have line this way and then we have line this way. Okay, ladder. Think of your ladder you have at home. Okay, ladders. Okay, now in the ladder you will find you have lines going like this. You have lines coming down, going up like this. Now, this is what I call coming down and going up. All right? Ladders. Then we have here so we have ladders going up, lines going up, lines coming down. So we have three kinds of line. Horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. You can also say sleeping line. That's it. This is the horizontal line, sleeping line. We have curved line. Now all these patterns we use for what? In making pictures, in drawing. We use these lines. To draw shapes, also we need this line. So all these lines are very important for us. You want to draw a lovely little circle, then you need all the four curves. Okay? You have one curve here, another curve here, you have another curve here, another curve here. All curves are used. So you have horizontal line when we talk about your board or your chart. You use horizontal line, then you use vertical line for your, if you have a nice little fence. Slanting line is used mainly for make the ladders. Look at your ladders. Look at the shape of your chair. It's ladder. Now, so we are talking about curves and lines. Wherever we go, now look at the pencil. If you look at it's a horizontal line. We can also call it a vertical line. We can also call it a slanting line. So wherever we are just seated here. Just look at what kinds of lines you see. Lines are used in drawing shapes. So now next what we're going to do is how to use the horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line and the curves in making shapes. Hi children. Now let us look around our classroom and see what shapes can you identify. What kinds of shapes are there? Can you name some shapes? Look at your blackboard. What shape is that? Square? No, it's a rectangle. Very good. All of us have birthday parties in the house, yes? Now what do you wear on your head? What do you think is that shape? Good. Triangle. Very good. Look at your box and see, do you have a coin over there? You copy things from the computer into something, what is that? Yes, CD. What shape is that? Very good, circle. Look at all the circles that you see. Look at your eyes, round. Can you see? Your pupils are round. Good. Glasses can be circle, square, rectangle, any shape. Good. Now, all of us were put to here. What shape is that? It can be circle. Very good. So now today we're going to look at the shapes that is in the class. Shape. Just look at the shapes you will find in the class. So thirsty you feel. Take a bottle, open it out. What's that shape? Circle. So we're going to look at the shapes that we normally use. Shapes. We are going to look at the shapes that we normally find. When you say square shape, look around and tell me what are the things that you play with. So let's call out, name the squares that we identify in our class or elsewhere. Square. Things that are square in shape or that you use for play. Okay, number one, carom. Your carom board. What else? Your chess board. Very good. Your chess board. What else is in the shape of a square? What else? You have a photo frame. Very good. Your photo frame that can be found in square shape. Okay? Then what else you find in square shape? Your window can be also square shape. Then chessboard, carom board. What else you can find in square shape? Sometimes you can have a book. You can have a story book that's of square shape. Tabletop. Sometimes you can have a tabletop that can be a square one. Okay, that's a square. So we are talking about things that are square in shape in the class at home. Now let's look at another shape, rectangle. That's another shape. Look at all the things that are rectangle in shape. Let's look around the class, think of all the shapes that you have at home, and name them all if you can. Mat, your doormat. So one is your doormat. Doormat can be square also, doormat. Okay, another one. Look at your table itself, your tabletop. Okay, your table, teacher's table. That is a also rectangular in shape. What about your door? Your door is rectangular in shape. Door. Then what else? Door. Your book. Look at your book. It is rectangular in shape. Notebook or textbook you're talking about. Your book. What else? Look at your blackboard in the class. Blackboard. And there are others also. Next, we are going to look at what is the other shape that you see? Circle. Okay, let's look at the circle. Circle. What is the circular items that you find in the class or around? Can you name them? Now, rectangle. Then you have your circle. Okay, now, circle. All right? Now, when you say circle, coin, look at the coins that you use. Potto. You put potto, and that can be circle. What else is circular in shape? You have your clock, the wall clock. Wall clock. Your watch, your wall clock. Bangles. Bangles. Your bangles. That is circular in shape. What else? A disc, the CD. The CDs are in circular shape, and sometimes bottle covers. What is it? The tires, cycle tires. What about the bottle covers, etc.? And finally, we have another shape. You have square, rectangle, circle, and then you have, what is it? Triangle. You have triangle. Now, in triangle shape, think of all the items that are triangular. Come on, let's see. One, you think of your party cap. Party cap. Next, what else is triangular in shape? Your Christmas tree. Very good. Christmas tree. What else? Christmas tree can be triangular in shape. What about the tent? The tent you put up. Tent is normally triangular in shape. What else? You see the board sign outside. School nearby. The school sign. Huh? That is the road signal, road sign. School nearby. Can you see, have you seen? That is triangular in shape. And finally, your clothes hanger. Very good. Your clothes hanger. You hang your clothes, you know. Now, so we have circles, we have squares, rectangles, and we have, what is the final shape? We have the triangle. So you have the square. A square shape, a rectangular shape, a circle, triangle. Now let's look at all the things. Now, even your duster is a rectangular in shape. Yes? Now, square shape. You have carom board, your chessboard, photo frame, your book, storybook, tabletop. They can all be square if you have a square table. Then, the rectangular shapes, your doormat, your tabletop, your door itself, or your window, your books, notebook, textbook, the blackboard in your class, they're all in what shape? Rectangular. Circular shapes, circles, your coins, puttu that you put on. Wall clock can be circle, watches, bangles, CDs, tires, they're all circular in shape. Then you have triangle. What shape? Party cap. Triangle in shape. Christmas tree. Triangle in shape. Tent. Road sign that says school nearby. Road signs, and then clothes hanger. All these are patterns, the shape that you see around the house and in the classroom.